Hi friends, welcome to the channel Engineering Mathematics for GATE exam. In this video, I come up with some interesting questions on eigenvalues from the previously asked GATE exam questions. Okay, now after solving all these questions, you will get confidence and you can solve any kind of questions on eigenvalues. Now look at the questions. First one, the eigenvalue of the matrix A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. So apply the first point, that is sum of the eigenvalues is equal to addition of the diagonal elements. Look at the matrix. Here addition of the diagonal elements is equal to 0 plus 0, that means 0. So look at the options. Option A, 1 comma 1 given. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, that is not equal to 0. So option A is eliminated. So option B, minus 1 minus 1. So minus 2, that is also not equal to 0. So option B also eliminated. Look at option C, j minus j, that is equal to 0. So this option has the chance. Now look at option D, 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So option C or option D are correct. Now we have to go for next point, that is product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of the matrix. Look at the matrix. It has the determinant value 0 into 0 minus 1 into 1, that means minus 1. So determinant is equal to minus 1. Look at options. Product of the eigenvalues, that is j into minus j, that is equal to minus j square. So it is not correct. Look at option D, 1 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So option D is correct. Okay, now look at next question. The eigenvalue of the matrix 2 minus 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 0 minus 2 0 0 0 minus 1 4 are. Now apply the first point, that is sum of the eigenvalues is equal to addition of diagonal elements. Look at the diagonal elements here, 2 3 minus 2 4. So 2 minus 2 0, 3 plus 4, so 7. So sum of the eigenvalues is equal to 7. Now look at options. 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, so 0. It is not equal to 7. Option B, 2 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 2 cancel, 3 plus 4 7. So it has the chance. Look at option C, 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. So 5 plus 1 6 plus 4 10. It is not equal to 7. It is not correct. D none. It is not correct. So option B is correct. See here in this question, from first point itself we got the answer. Okay, now look at question number 3. Eigenvalues of the following matrix are, the given matrix is minus 1 4 4 minus 1. Now apply the first point, sum of the eigenvalues is equal to sum of the diagonal elements, that is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So 3 minus 5 minus 2, so it may be the chance. B, minus 3 plus 5 2, which is not equal to minus 2. So B, option B eliminated. Look at option C, minus 3 minus 5 minus 8, it is not equal to minus 2, eliminated. Look at option D, 3 plus 5 8, it is also not equal to minus 2. So option A is correct. So this question also solved using first point itself. Okay, now look at question number 4. Obtain the eigenvalues of the matrix A is equal to 1 2 34 49 0 2 43 94 0 0 minus 2 104 0 0 0 minus 1. So look at the matrix carefully. It is a upper triangular matrix. In the previously uploaded video, in the note I have mentioned that in the question, if they ask for eigenvalues and the matrix is in the form of diagonal matrix or scalar matrix or upper triangular or lower triangular matrix, then we need not to calculate the eigenvalues using formulas. Directly take the diagonal elements. Those are the eigenvalues. So 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 are the eigenvalues. Look at the options. 1 2 minus 2 minus 1. So option A is correct. Okay. Now look at the question number 5. The sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix. So here they asked for sum of the eigenvalues. Directly the point number 1. So add the diagonal elements, that is 1 plus 5 plus 1, 7. Look at the options. B, 7, correct. Okay. Now question number 6. The eigenvalues of the matrix 4 minus 2 minus 2 1 are. Now apply the point number 1. Sum of the eigenvalues is equal to sum of the diagonal elements. So sum of the diagonal elements is 4 plus 1, 5. So now look at the options. 1 plus 4, 5. So it may be the correct. Option B, minus 1, 2. So 1 not equal to 5. So it is eliminated. Look at option C, 0 plus 5. So it may be correct. D cannot be determined. So option A or C correct. Now go for point number 2, that is product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant. Find the determinant. 4 into 1 minus become plus. So 4 minus 4, 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 0. So product is 0. So 1 into 4, 4, it is not equal to 0. 0 into 5 is equal to 0. So option C is correct. Now question number 7. What are the eigenvalues of the following 2 by 2 matrix? 2 minus 1 minus 4 5. So apply the first point. Sum of the eigenvalues is equal to sum of the diagonal elements. So 2 plus 5, 7. Look at the options. Option A, minus 1 plus 1, 0, not equal to 7. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So it may be the correct answer. Option C, 2 plus 5, 7. It may be the correct answer. Option D, 4 minus 1, 3. It is not correct answer. So A, D eliminated. So B or C is correct. Now we have to go for second point, that is determinant of the matrix is equal to product of the eigenvalues. So determinant of the matrix is 2 into 5 minus become plus minus 4. So 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. So option B, 1 into 6 is equal to 6. It is correct. 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. So option B is correct. Now look at question number 8. The eigenvalues of the matrix M is given below are. Here eigenvalues are given 15, 3, 0. For the matrix also given 8 minus 6, 2 minus 6, 7 minus 4, 2 minus 4, 3. The value of the determinant of the matrix. Here they ask for determinant. So directly multiplication of the eigenvalues. So 15 into 3 into 0, that becomes 0. Is the determinant of the matrix. So option C. Okay. Now look at question number 9. Eigenvalues of the matrix S is equal to 3, 2, 2, 3 matrix are 5 and 1. Here matrix is given and eigenvalues are given. What are the eigenvalues of the matrix S square? That is called S into S. So in the previously uploaded video, this point is also covered. Like if lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of a matrix A, then A power M matrix eigenvalues is equal to lambda 1 power M, lambda 2 power M, lambda 3 power M, and so on like. So here S power 2. So eigenvalues become 2, 5 power 2 and 1 power 2. That become 5 square, 1 square, that is 25 and 1. So option A is correct. Okay. Question number 10. Eigenvalues is given. Lambda 1 is equal to 8 and lambda 2 is equal to 4, and eigenvectors are given v1, 1, 1, v2, 1 minus 1. So here they are given eigenvalues and eigenvectors. The matrix is, so they are asking for the matrix. So add the eigenvalues. 8 plus 4, that must be equal to the diagonal elements addition. So 6 plus 6, 12. 8 plus 4, 12. So 6 plus 6, 12. It may be the correct answer. Option B, 4 plus 4, 8. Not equal to 12. Eliminated. C, option C, 2 plus 2, 4. Not equal to 12. Eliminated. Option D, 4 plus 4, 8. Not equal to 12. Eliminated. So option A is correct. I hope you enjoyed the questions. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Kindly do subscribe my channel for more videos.